Happy September, everybody. I think this is the first video I'm posting in the month of September. So, happy September. Today we're going to be switching gears a little bit and talking about hair care. And that is because the other day I posted a picture on my Insta stories of my hair, and I wrote that I haven't used shampoo in 5 months. And I got a lot of questions about it. So I decided to do a video and explain to you guys why I stopped using shampoo and what I've been doing differently. All throughout high school, I straightened my hair pretty much every single day, and even after that until very recently, I was straightening my hair all the time. I thought that that's what my hair should look like. I thought I was meant to have straight hair, but for some reason God gave me this. But lately I've been trying to embrace my wave. I just don't want to use heat on my hair anymore. It's not good for your hair, and I just want to embrace the way that it was created. I want to embrace my wave. So I met this woman 5 months ago, and she had this beautiful curly hair. It was what you want your curly hair to look like. So I asked her, what do you do, and how do I do it? And she told me to stop using shampoo. And I said, okay, because your hair's amazing, and I want mine to look like yours. So I got rid of my shampoo and I started using conditioner only. So what I do is in the shower, I will wash my scalp with conditioner, just like the way I would shampoo. It's not going to foam up the way shampoo does, and it's not going to give you that same like sudsy feeling, but your hair will still be clean. And then I'll rinse that out, put a little bit in my ends, and then put my hair up with that so that it would moisturize my ends a little bit while I'm taking a shower. And then before I get out of the shower, I rinse most of that out, put a little bit in my ends, and just leave that in like a leave-in conditioner. I don't rinse that out at the end of my shower. It's the very last thing I do. I put a little bit of conditioner in my hand, and I'll put it in the ends of my hair, and then I just get out of the shower. I use a microfiber towel. My mom got me this ages ago, and I only recently started using it. So thank you, Mom, for the towel. My boyfriend thinks it looks ridiculous when I have it in my hair, but it helps because it prevents your hair from getting frizzy because of the material it's made out of. But you can also use like a cotton t-shirt. I've seen a lot of people do that. I just happen to have the microfiber towel, so that's what I use. So I flip my hair over, and I get my trusty towel, and I put it over my hair. And then I'll twist it and clip it up or loop it up, and that's it. Isn't that cute? I mean, come on, it's hard to resist. After I do that, I'll leave it in my hair for as long as I have. If I'm gonna be home all day, I'll leave it in for like a half hour. If I have to go, sometimes it's 10 minutes and then I'll let it back out. But after I take my hair out of the towel, I try to fluff up the roots a little bit because they've been stuck to my head. And then I take my Herbal Essences Curl Boosting Mousse. I bought this at CVS. It's a drugstore mousse, and I find that it works great for my hair. It doesn't make it crunchy. It leaves it soft, and I just really like it. So I usually use about 4 or 5 pumps of this in my hair, sometimes more if I'm feeling a little sassy. And then I scrunch my hair up, and I do this repeatedly a few times. And then I try to fluff up the roots again a little bit, scrunch up a bit more, and then I grab my Argan Oil of Morocco, again another product I bought at CVS, so pretty affordable, and I spritz this throughout my hair just to give it a bit more shine. I usually do that when it's dry, but if I have to leave the house and my hair's still wet, I'll spritz it throughout anyway. Sometimes I take it with me and just spray my hair if I want a little bit more shine, but that stuff works really great, so I like it a lot. And that's it. That's all I do. I usually let my hair air dry because I don't want to add heat anymore. I'm over that. I want healthy hair for a long time. I want to take care of my hair, so that's what I've been doing. If you have hair that's a similar texture to mine, I would recommend trying to quit the shampoo because it dries out your hair and just, it's not necessary. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so that you can see upcoming content. It's not always going to be hair related. I obviously do a lot of other things on this channel. This is just something that I felt was needed based on the amount of questions I was getting. Thank you all so much for watching, and I hope you have a great hair day.